Riya, you are going to the office in these clothes in such a cold weather?
Why? Is there any problem in this?
Yes, there is a problem. Who goes to the office in such small clothes?
Hey, what I have to do with others? I want to wear them, so I'm wearing and going.
Riya, it's your first day at the office. Go, you wear something nice. Wear a formal dress.
What are you trying to say? This dress is not good?
It's nice, very nice. But it's not nice for the office at all. If you have to go on a date or in a party, then it's nice for that. But it's not nice for the office at all.
You know what, Sanju? Problem is not in my dress. It's in your mindset. Don't think to change my dress, but think to change your mindset.
Riya, why don't you understand?
Hey, I did late in understanding. If I would have understood earlier, na, that your mindset is so small, so I don't think I would be marrying you. And listen to me. My job, na, is with my talent, not with my clothes.
What I am saying and what you are thinking.
Hey, I'm not taking anything anywhere. I'm getting late. I am leaving. Hey, Kamla didn't came. She haven't prepared breakfast till now.
She was serving. Kamla, serve her the breakfast.
Take it, ma'am. Sir, do you need anything?
No, nothing for me.
That you leave. You tell me, what are you wearing this? Wearing so small clothes? Who goes like this to work?
Madam, what does clothes have to do with my job?
Hey, it is. Which someone wears so small clothes and comes to work?
I was feeling to wear them, so I'm wearing them. What I have to do with others?
No, you can't come. Wearing so small clothes, here you can't definitely come.
Madam, my talent is from me, not from my clothes.
Riya, if you can wear a short dress to your work, then why can't she? You also go to work. She has also come to work. And you were saying that my thinking is small. It's not about thinking. There are different clothes for different places. Different for office, different for party, and for temple, and different for beaches. So we should know that which clothes to wear and where to go. Now we can't wear any clothes anywhere.
Now is it fine?
Perfect.
And I'm sorry. I just said you yesterday so many wrong things now that you have a small mindset and all.
It's okay. It happens.
Okay, fine. I'm getting so much late. I will go.
At least have your breakfast.
Hey, I will just do it in office. I'm getting so much late. In the evening, you will take me for dinner. Bye.
Okay, come soon. Thank you.
No worries, sir. By the way, what will I do with this dress?
You keep it. It's your gift.
Thank you, sir. I will wear this and go with my husband.
Okay, now you change it and do the remaining work, okay?